When I'm working in front of the workbench, my thoughts start to slowly drift away. The carefree days of my childhood come into my mind. Inspiration flies from memories to reality, along with the paper airplane in my hand. Starting from the concept of structural principles and geometric figures, we refer to the Eastern origami craft and the aesthetic language of Western Cubism in consideration to enhance the overall visual perception of the design through the combination of layering and geometric depth. From design, materials to techniques, we constantly refine and upgrade. The result is this modern, minimalist office desktop set. We have achieved a balance between function and form. The softness of paper and the hardness of sheet metal are stylistically blended. Both the line and surface realize a harmonious fineness. This office desktop set is both multifunctional and decorative. Not only does it satisfy the daily office needs, but it also adds a stylish atmosphere to the home space with the elegant design.